What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Stop Reactions video. I'm Ryan. What we have today is a little bit of 4-4 tune. So we're going to be checking out the N Factor replacing Neymar, Hazard, Coutinho Dybala to Barcelona Parody MSN. This again was made by 4-4 Tunes. Check out the link to the original video down in the description. But without further ado, back.
It's the N Factor.
Oh, this has to be good.
Continues.
Basic.
Next, Phil from Liverpool. Yeah! Whoop whoop! Antoine from France. Next, terrible blonde haircuts are so left-leaning. Gareth from Wales.
No, Cristiano, I don't want to.
Here is your winner of the N Factor.
Nice try, Ronnie.
Oh, come on, Gareth. Next stop, Manchester.
Oh, he's such a dick.
Gareth, that. Jesse from Manchester.
Next.
Absolutely
Phil
not.
from Liverpool, take 2.
I will not perform my trademark goal. Ow!
Zlatan, no fixed abode.
I have no interest in winning this shitty little show, because we all know it should be called the Z Factor.
Next, Mesut from outer space.
Wait one more year, and you can have me for free.
Damn you, Mesut. Eden from West London.
Of the N Factor, me and Neymar are basically the same. Look.
That's bad.
Phil from Liverpool, take 3.
My stage name is the Little Magician.
Surprised.
Oh no, not again.
Uh-oh.
He's not for sale. Paolo from Argentina.
Hello, Paolo. What are you going to be doing for us today? Move your hand, you Argentinian midget. Oh, no offense, Minor.
Hey, ref.
Oh, Jesus, have you farted up there or something? Paolo, some advice. Maybe you should audition for Kenny in South Park next time.
Alexis, formerly from North London.
I would have the N Factor, but I'm too sick. Just kidding, I only pretend to be sick or injured so I can get out of playing for Arsenal. Pick me. I have unfinished business at Barca, and I've got 2 Copa America winners' medals.
Oh.
And Cristiano from Madrid. Great news. MS is now MSCR7.
Next!
MSCR7.
Barca have already paid my 1 billion buyout fee.
What?
I hate the thought of playing with you 2 retardicals, but it's a small sacrifice to regain my title as the most expensive footballer of all time. See?
Who do you think will replace Neymar at Barcelona? Does anyone have the N Factor? Let me know below.
It's actually a good question. Who do you think actually is going to be replacing Neymar? Because, dude, Hazard, I mean, as much as I'm a Chelsea fan, like, it'd be a good replacement. Hate to see him leave Chelsea, but that'd be a great replacement. Or Coutinho, another great replacement. Honestly, Alexis too. Pedro. Dude, Pedro, I think was undervalued at Barcelona. He's so good in Premier League for Chelsea. Bro, he's big time, but we'll see how it goes. Let me know what you guys think again down in the comments. But thanks for watching. Make sure you drop a like if you liked it, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you guys next time. See ya!